Hello and welcome to my SourceSDK tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a counter system like in Surf New Platinum. Okay, first we are going to make the numbers. Make a brush, and we are going to make it in Nodraw. Now let's find just type NUM and they will appear 0. Press the texture application tool and fit it, and we'll have the first number. Now press Ctrl T and Func Brush. Okay, we're going to name it X0 because it's the second column and it's the 0. Hit apply and close. Now we're going to make the number 1. Go into its properties and we'll call it X1. X2 and so on. Keep doing it until you got all 9 of them. Now when you're finished with the X numbers, we are going to make the column. Go into its properties and we are going to call this 0x, the second column, and X. Hit apply. Now do this like the other one so you get 9x. Okay, so you're done. You close it together so it's inside the box, and let's make it restart to 0 every round. First, create a logic relay. This little guy. Okay, let's go to the outputs. Press add on trigger 0x enable on trigger 1x disable. That means that the 0 will be shown but the number 1 won't be shown. Now add 2 to 8. Okay, now that's done. This column will be set to 0. This is triggered. Now we're going to add 1 for the other column. Okay, here. Now we're going to add the X1, X2, X3 and so on. Add on trigger X0 enable on trigger X1 enable on oops, X1 needs to be disabled. On trigger X2 disable on trigger X3 going to name it the logic relays. Let's call it relay 1 and relay 2. Now close it. You're going to make it reset on the spawn of every round. So create an entity and change it to logic auto. Hit apply, go to the outputs, press add on map spawn relay 1 trigger and on map spawn relay 2 trigger. Hit apply, close it. Then it's done. Great. All the numbers from 1 to 9 will be removed and the number 0 will be added on the start of every round. Okay, now we're going to create the math counters and the logic cases. We're going to change the numbers of these two boxes. We're going to activate it with this button here. First, create a new entity. Call it math counter. We're going to use 1 for each of these columns. Why doesn't it there? And then we're going to have 1 logic case for both of these columns. Okay, or just that one? No. Okay, good. Now go to the first math counter. We're going to call it counter first. Go to the other one and call it counter second. Go to the first case and call it case first. Go to the other one and call it case second. Okay, now we're going to take the counter first, maximum legal volume 10, maximum legal volume 10. Okay, now we're going to use the math counter first, go to outputs, press add, my output named out value, target entities names, case first, in value, hit apply, add 1. Good. Now add a new one, call it on hit max counter second, add 1. Then on hit max counter first, set value 0. Hit apply.